Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor. Advanced flight controls combined with its powerful engines allow the F-22 to pull more than 9 times the force of gravity. Watch from the right is the Raptor that demonstrates its tight turn capability with a minimal rate of horizontal turn, and that powers straight into the vertical. Then watch as Major Dix is changing his direction with the amazing J-turn reposition. Multi-role and highly maneuverable stealth fighter in the world with a fully internal combat weapons load. Ready your cameras as the Raptor banks in from your left and cycles his weapon bay doors. Folks, if you ever wonder where those bombs and missiles hide, here is your answer. At altitude, the jet will flip backwards and level off. Execute an immediate 180-degree flat turn, then reverse the turn in the opposite direction another 180 degrees. Will now quickly reposition and show you what the advanced flight controls and engines can do. You will see why the aircraft is unmatched in a vertical flight, as they compress to a loop and god awful altitude at the end. At the top of the loop, you will see the Raptor rotate around one spot in the sky, utilizing the vector thrust of the 2 powerful F-119 engines, which literally flip the aircraft through the vertical and back to level flight. outright. Reduces the power, slowing the Raptor down to less than 160 kilometers per hour. And low speed pass. The Raptors over pitched. Since 9/11, the United States Air Force has Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's demonstration. We hope you've enjoyed this brief display of a fraction of F-22 full combat capability. As an integral part of the most capable Air Force the world has ever known, your F-22 Raptors are ready to defend the nation's skies and dominate the battle space anywhere on the globe.
Microjet, the subsonics, it would fit into the back of your SUV. This is a really interesting aeroplane. We have a magnificent gliding display coming up. We have tin sticks by Oris, that is Jürgen Kairos and Skip Stewart, in a pyrotechnic, colourful display that you're absolutely going to love. It'll be a beautiful opportunity for photographic opportunities coming up very soon as the Raptor settles back on terra firma here at Avalon today. Well, magnificent indeed. And today we'll be displaying for your entertainment the Royal Australian Air Force Roulettes Aerobatic team. Tin sticks prior to that.
all at just over 1,000 meters of altitude and under complete control. Which literally flipped the aircraft through the vertical and back to level flight. Following the power loop, you'll see the Raptor perform the load of the day. And not many can slide. Watch now as the Raptor flies in from the left, pulls straight to the vertical and brings his problems to air item. Then, under complete control, actually slides backwards. Precision weapons engagement, and fully integrated avionics. The F-22 will ensure our ability to continue to provide air dominance worldwide for the United States and its allies.
Again tomorrow, the closing day of the International Airshow here at Avalon. Lands off.
Capability able to jam a range of systems. In short, an airborne electronic attack mission is designed to degrade, disrupt, compromise or deny an adversary's use of the electromagnetic spectrum, used in either a standoff or a siege.